Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make a Morse code translation. So basically it will convert the text that we have given as input to Morse code, and reverse operation is also possible. So let me just show you the Morse code translator. So this is the Morse code translator. So here you can give any string. So I would just use my name, and here I would just say convert this string to Morse code. So this is what a Morse code would look like if I have to type these characters. And if you want to confirm this, so we have a table here. So if you can click here, one code lookup will come. So this is the Morse code lookup. So here, if you can see here, the R is here. So we have a dot, dash and dot. So this first three letters are there. And then we have a O. So for O, we have a 3 dash. So we can see the 3 dash is here. Let's just put this lookup table here. And let me just try to validate the reverse operation. So I will type a Morse code here and we'll convert it to str. So let me just type a very simple thing. This would be H and this would be I. So we know that for H there are 4 dots and Y there are 2 dots. I have just typed here 4 dots and space 2 dots. Now if I click on Morse code to str, I should be seeing hi, so that we are able to see. So that confirm that we are successfully able to convert a string to Morse code or Morse code to string. So let's just try to build this application from next video.